Oven-baked swai. Ingredients: 2 4-ounce filleted swai fish, salt and ground black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, or as needed, 1 onion, chopped, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 14.5-ounce King Petite diced tomatoes. Directions: preheat oven to 200°C. Place the swai fish in a glass casserole dish and season with salt and black pepper. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat, cook and stir onion until softened, about 10 minutes. Add garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Pour tomatoes over onion. Mixture, cook and stir until heated through, about 5 minutes. Spoon tomato mixture over fish. Bake in the preheated oven until fish flakes easily with a fork, about 20 minutes.